Hey you guys, I hope you all are doing very good out there in YouTube world. Today we're going to go up way into the mountains and we're going to go try and find a valley full of lakes. It's a pretty cool location. I haven't been there in a while. So you can see in the background I got the XR. I got the big tank bag on there today, boy. She's loaded up. I'll explain the reason for that here shortly. But yeah, beautiful conditions. Doesn't get any nicer. This is one of my favorite areas to ride, you guys. It's always so nice and wet in here, like no dust. We're running the XR right now in eco mode. Beautiful. So eco mode on the XR, you guys, seems to get the best mileage. I'm just handheld again, by the way. Woo. Yeah, I think I'm getting 1,000,000 miles to the gallon or something right now. Okay, this is not one-hand friendly. So the trail down into this valley, like I was saying, it's full of lakes. I think there's 11 of them or something. It's a really steep road, so you could literally coast the whole way. And the reason for the, here, let me slow down here, I'll show you guys. The reason for the massive tank bag, I got my drones in there, so I really hate putting backpacks on. To me, they just feel uncomfortable, so I got one of these really older Wolfman bags. It's actually quite large. It doesn't bother me at all there, but it's nice because it's padded inside, so I put the drone in there and all my stuff, and it just stays really nice and secure. So yeah, this is getting a little tricky for one hand too, by the way. These boulders will put you on your head pretty fast, so you got to make sure you guide that front tire through the bigger ones. Don't worry about the back tire too much. Oh, I think eco mode's over. Yep. Road's actually pretty gnarly. Whoa! So I'll give you guys a tip for those boulders. I give this tip all the time, and my favorite word's confidence, but you gotta relax on the bike and let it do what it wants to a certain extent. If you try and fight the bike, you're usually that's when you're going to end up on your head. This is one of my favorite sections in here. It's all cedar trees. It's all overgrown. It's pretty cool. Probably won't be a very good picture. It's pretty dark in here. Oh boy. Here's a kind of cool view, you guys. Check this out. Most of you that are familiar with my channel, you know the lookout overlooking my hometown there, the valley. If you look, I'm actually across the valley from it. It's up there. So whenever you see those cool pictures overlooking the water, which is out there, I am right up on that point. Pretty cool perspective, actually. It's actually a really cool perspective. I never stopped on this particular little cliff. Beautiful. Sure green out. We've been getting tons of rain lately. Like tons. I don't think trails could get any more green. Actually, here's a cool shot. Let's try this. Well, that was fun, you guys. I hope you guys dig these little videos. I haven't used that little drone probably in, I bet you, a couple of years. I can't remember when I last used it. So I'm a little rusty with it for sure, but I might even upgrade to a better one. But they're pretty fun, actually. It's turned into a heck of a day. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to close the video out. Definitely drop some comments. Let me know what you guys are up to. And about the riding lessons, you know, let me know if there's something you guys want to see. I'll do my best to make it happen this summer. I got a good list already, so definitely hit the subscribe button, you guys, because for the new people, you know, it doesn't cost you guys a penny, and it sure helps me out. And I think something like 70% of my viewers aren't even subscribed, which would really help the channel out if everybody subscribed, because it would, you know, it would rank better on YouTube, so I would get a lot more views and stuff. Therefore, you'd be helping other riders with the riding lessons. So right on, you guys. Thumbs up never hurts. Nice view never hurts. I'll see you guys on the very next video. Alright. The old XR.